In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a project management office in Monday.com in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through each step to make sure your project management setup is as efficient and effective as possible. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to Monday.com. This is your main platform for setting up and managing all your project management tasks. Once you're there, locate the login button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on that button to proceed with signing in. If this is your first time logging into Monday.com, you'll be prompted to sign in using either your Google account or an email that's already connected to your Monday.com account. Follow these prompts and you'll be ready to access your workspace. If you've signed in before, you'll be directed straight to your Monday workspace where all your projects and tasks are organized. Now that you're inside, the magic begins. The first step in setting up a PMO is defining the PMO's purpose and scope. This foundational step is crucial as it guides how you leverage Monday.com's robust features to manage your projects, resources, and processes. So, take a moment to clearly define what your PMO aims to achieve. With that clear, let's make use of Monday.com's templates. These templates are designed to streamline your project management processes. Start by using Monday.com's project management plan template. This template allows you to create a detailed plan that includes your objectives, deliverables, timelines, and required resources. Next, you'll want to create a new board. This is where all your project activities will come together. Start with one of Monday.com's templates to ensure you're utilizing the platform's full potential. Search within the template center for a single plan template. This particular template is designed to bring everything together in one place. Deadlines, stakeholders, budgets, and more. This consolidated approach is fundamental to ensuring everything is organized and nothing slips through the cracks. The beauty of this template is its flexibility. From planning to execution and finally to launch, you can customize it to suit your specific needs. Adjust it as necessary so it aligns perfectly with your project requirements and expectations. This template will be a valuable tool in managing your project effectively, providing a streamlined process that keeps all the moving parts in check. By following these steps, you will have a strong foundation to build your PMO in Monday.com, ensuring your projects run smoothly and successfully. Thank you for tuning in, and happy project managing.